In fact, to add fonts to PixelLab is not difficult, just like it is not difficult to fry akara.
And to start akara business doesn't take a lot of money.
So here are fonts on your PixelLab, but how do you add fonts to PixelLab? So go to your browser, any browser of your choice. You can decide to use any browser of your choice. Now click on Chrome. Then I'm going to search for that font so that I will not be wasting much time for you. This is that font. Here is that font. There are a lot of fonts here. You can decide to download any one of your choice. So let's download Rue10 Joy Cats. It is 4 font file and it is a script calligraphy font for personal use. So you click on download. After downloading, then you open it. Once you click on open, it will now bring you to your downloads. Now click on it. Now you have several options to unzip your file, but I recommend Files by Google for those that are using Android. There is also Phone's also, but let's use Files by Google. So once you click on Files by Google, you click on just once so that I can decide to use anyone later in the day. So now it will ask you, do you want to extract Rotenjeka zip? Yes, extract. Click on extract. It will do the work in few seconds. So once it extracts, you see we have 4 fonts in it. You click on done. Once you click on done, it will appear under downloads. That is not the final destination of your font. Now look at it. You are going to highlight them, tick them. Once you tick those files, you now click on the 3 dots at the top here. Once you click on those 3 dots, it will bring option. Now you click on move to. Once you click on move to, select internal storage and then you move to fonts. Yes, this is it. I'm using this one. So once you click on fonts, click on move here. Once you click on move here, now 4 files have been moved to fonts. Now let's exit both our file by Google and Chrome. Go back to your PixelLab. Once you go back to your PixelLab, let's say we want to make this text into the font we've downloaded. So you are going to go to font after typing your font, but because this is a design already, I'm going to select my font. Then click on this icon here, this one. So once you click on that add font, then you can just click on your folder list. Then you can now select fonts. So once you click on font, you locate your font that you just moved. It's starting with R. Let's locate it. You can now select those 3 and then you check it under your font. Here is it. So kindly subscribe to this YouTube channel and turn on the notification bell.